We got 863 blowing oil out the exhaust. It's pretty filthy. You see it blue oil everywhere. Let's see what we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, get that turbo off, check it out, get the exhaust off and all that stuff to get to it. See about putting a new turbo on it. Possibly could be a head gasket, but more than likely the turbo. She's pretty filthy. It's got the Deutz 1011 engine on it. She's running pretty rough, blowing oil.
What's going on?
Oh,
that's just the piston was cracked where he just like.
Nah, that's just got carbon built up.
I guess that's for this one stops here and here. It don't go through there.